the kind of the difference of the work-life balance and business, which you harp on about all the time, business and finance and getting that goal and that number is not everything. Do you want to touch on that?
Look, and thank you for bringing this up, because I am really passionate about the change in the way that I coach to the way that I was coached. And my coach, he came to me and said, my job is to make you the most profitable business that I possibly can. And what I realized many years later was that the money isn't the only thing that's important. It's actually about having a really good work-life balance, and that you're, I call it PMA, positive mental attitude. Well, when your life is falling apart, it's really hard to turn up to business and be inspiring and, engaging for your team if you emotionally. My work-life balance has changed very much since that. And I've learned an awful lot through my son, who at 40 years having a way better work-life balance than I had as a 40-year-old. But if someone had told me any different at my time at 40, I probably wouldn't have taken it on. I was on a mission and I was trying to prove something which I probably didn't need to prove. And that was that I could be, have the empire, that I could build the biggest business in the industry, which we did. And that's a lot of ego. And I really needed to take the ego out. And I now work with great people. And when the ego comes along, it's probably something that I try and get out of the relationship as early as possible and say, this isn't about proving anything to anyone. You make the decision of what you want in life. Let's be clear on your business serving you rather than you serving the business. Very important for me.